Today, we are taking a look at the Volvo 760 GLE kit with the Japanese instruction manual kit from Italeri. The 1/24 scale curb side kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. So initially this tooling was released in the very early 80s. Then it got a rebox a few years later from testers, and then a few years later after that, Revell reboxed it. It got a reissue in 2001, and here just a couple months ago in 2021. Let's check it out. And now getting started with the body, and you can see it is molded in a lovely shade of blue. And now getting started, which is going to be with the main parts tree. Look at the underside of the chassis. There is some engine detail, but it's not great. It's kind of like an engine insert. That's it right there. We'll get to a little bit. So up here we have some engine pieces there. Front strut springs. I'm guessing suspension pieces there. So here we have the exhaust pipe, lower half of the engine, intake, steering wheel wipers, the springs down there, the engine insert, which you can see, like I said, it's just that's it right there. Not much to it. Right there we have the rear axle. Here we have the interior door panels. This is actually his parts tree. Hey, look at that. I didn't see that. Radiator, half of it. Front suspension cross member. Drive shaft. Front and rear bumpers. Over here, bumper end pieces. The end caps. Grille, headlight. Another bumper. And now we're going to take a look at the roundy rounds, which do have some sidewall detail on them. They are a set of Pirelli P6s. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree B, which I'm going to call the interior parts tree. It's pretty simple. You have the interior tub and the front seats, two pieces. And some firewall detail there, if you decide to use the engine insert. And the front seats, which again, like I said, are two pieces. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree, which you can see is pretty simple. You have the main window piece, as well as the front and rear headlight, taillight lenses. And that's pretty much it. And finally, we'll take a look at the wheels. Parts tree C, the wheels parts tree. The satin chrome parts tree, I guess. So you see the wheels are two-piece. You have the center caps there. Have a Volvo scripting back there, and some over there as well. So there's the. It says 760 GLE. And over there it says Volvo. And now that brings us to the decal sheet, which is pretty basic. It's just license plates. And that is it. So you see your choices of basically all European license plates. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Volvo 760 GLE kit from Italeri. And you do get 2 instruction books. You get the Japanese, the non-Japanese. All going to be the same, essentially, just with Japanese writing instead of here. Look at some of the automotive kits. And then there's semi kits. So on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.